The chairman of the Delhi Minorities Commission, Kamal Farooqi, speaking to NNIS, has said that those calling upon Muslims for the final battle were basically anti-nationals trying to fan the flames of communalism. Minister of State for Human Resource Development Ram Shankar Kataria is facing flack from all quarters for being part of an event where Muslims were branded as demons and they were warned of a final battle. Dubbing the incident as worrisome, leaders cutting across party lines have said that such remarks have become common ever since Prime Minister Narendra Modi took charge.
Highly objectionable, highly against the interest of the country. If at all some serious action has to be taken, this has to be taken against them. This is what actually the danger to the country. And the most unfortunate part is that the MP and the MOS himself was a part of the whole deliberation, and they also made certain these kind of speeches. In fact, the verbatim report has already been published yesterday in the very important newspaper. And when these kind of open attack to a particular community is being given from the stage itself, and so brazenly, in fact, in the presence of the lot of people, in fact, the presence of the media, and a minister of state is also involved into that kind of hate speeches. So if at all sedition charges has to be brought, that is what actually is the danger to the country, and they are the enemies of the country, in fact.
According to reports, Kataria, along with BJP MP from Fatehpur Sikri, Babulal, had recently attended a condolence meeting held for VHP worker Arun Mahawar, who was allegedly killed by Muslim youth in Agra.
When they are openly challenging the existence of the co-citizens, in fact, when they are openly saying that they should be killed by the arms, they should be put under the guise of the burqa, and they should be point blank killed, and all those kind of things when they have said, I don't think you need any other proof that which will be requiring for the anti-national activities of these elements. I'll not call them the fringe elements, because they are no more the fringe elements. They are the government. They are the ministers. If these ministers are talking like this, then if these ministers are not thrown away and the action is not taken against them, it will be presumed, and it will go beyond any doubt that the government's, BJP's intentions are to polarize the entire country in the name of nationalism, in the name of attacking the minorities, in the name of attacking the Dalits. And unfortunately, these things have come from the mind, from the tongue of a Dalit leader itself, who should be careful of using these kind of words, because they are the worst sufferer in the country, in fact. So I do not know. There is no words of condemnation. I have no words. I am so painful, not as a Muslim, but as an Indian citizen. I am so painful.
Powered by NNIS.